All right, in this video, we're going to show how we can use the region grow command inside of Leica Cyclone to basically assign the asphalt here to its own layer, and that'll expose the all the cars or people or anything else. You can see where I've already done some, so it makes it easy to go in and delete things you don't need. So I have this section here. I have the scan with a bunch of trash in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my pick point, select this section, then I'm going to go to create object, and then I have region grow and smooth surface. So we're going to hit that. Comes up with your smooth surface options. It's already ran through it, so I'm going to click OK. It's going to sit here and chew on it for a second. All right, so now that it's done, I can select a sample of that region, and I can assign it to a new layer. Now you can see we have all of our cars and all, so now it makes it much easier to go in, and we can fence in areas we want to get rid of. And then we can delete them out. That's all there is to it. So I would really go in and fence in all this and delete out all the trash out of it from all the cars riding by during the scan. If we had the time to do a double scan on the RTC 360, we wouldn't have seen these because any moving objects it sees in a double scan where they wasn't there in one was there in the next, or vice versa. It will automatically eliminate those as well. Hope this was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.